All right, so we're at this project here. This is one of the specialty type situations that we do here at MudTech. This is certainly not my first rodeo with this. See all the sand here? All that sand and all the sand in the sand bags, and then there's a couple more buckets up in the garage, was caused by this yard. Let's see if we can shine down in here. We stuck some boards in here and determined that this hole is roughly 10 feet wide this way and at least 8 feet back inside this guy's garage. But what we've determined is this yard, when it filled up with water, and I'll insert a picture here that the homeowner himself took when we had all the melting snow and the rain. This whole backyard was full of water. All that hydrostatic pressure sitting on top and the frozen yard started leaking down under the foundation, which is right then obviously in line with the basement, and it found a small path where it wasn't as froze, and then all of a sudden it was just like a gush, just like a toilet flushing, I suppose, and it took the pond and just went right into the guy's house, right into his basement. And you can see there's sand all over the steps. What happened then is, we're coming down here where it's dry now after the fact. This was all full of water. We can insert some of the video he sent me the day of. There's more sand here. The water and sand, you can see the line on right here on the furnace and the wall back there. This sand and water was about a foot high in here.
I just want, that's where you guys saw me. Look at the freaking water running out of here.
And what was happening, the water coming in through the stonework in this fieldstone basement, because most people know fieldstone basements are not completely sealed up. You can find little paths of ingress egress between the stones, and it actually washed all the material inside his house, which we determined to be about 1 cubic yard of sand. That's roughly, for a visual, it's roughly about as much as what would be in the back of a pickup truck bed. A small pickup truck bed load of sand, if you topped it off, is about 1 yard of sand. But this is the kind of stuff now MudTech gets involved in, where we need to seal this up on the backside so this never happens again. So we're going to be doing some grouting work behind this wall with a specialty grout. And then out here in the garage, we're going to be doing some traditional grouting with a cement-based slurry. Yeah, look at the gun rack. It's full of sand. It must have been in the basement. So we expect that cavern to be right in this area here. So we will do some borings here through the floor, find exactly where it goes, and then we'll be using a cement-based slurry to pump this area full so this does not happen again. And then, as a preventative measure, speaking with the homeowner here, we're going to try to assist him in getting some fill dirt and try to build this up in the backyard here so he doesn't have this happen again. Like I was saying before, not my first rodeo. I've done a lot of these where sinkholes develop and we have to come in and fill that sinkhole in so it doesn't happen again, and make the garage safe and the yard safe so people don't fall in a hole and your car doesn't fall through the garage floor. MudTech out.